Hey guys, this is Dr. Dose at Chiro Plus in Jackson, Tennessee, and we have Miss Monica with us here. And Miss Monica is a nursing student over at Union, and she is obviously got some pain, as all nurses do, I'm sure. She's early on in her career though, so we don't want her to develop any sort of problem. So she's come in today with some kind of middle back pain, worse in the evenings, just typical student stuff. We've already done her exam. She's never been to a chiropractor before, so we're excited to kind of show her the difference it's going to make. So go ahead and lay on your stomach, and you can take your glasses off too. There you go.
Or just face down?
Yep. That's right. Perfect. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to check your leg length, and you actually are feeling, they're pretty even actually. That's good. So I want you to keep this leg straight, raise it up as high as you can. Okay, drop it. Try the left one. Drop it. So did either one feel more difficult?
This one.
The right one? Okay. Now bend your knees for me. Alright, now let me know, does this cause any increased pressure in your low back?
Mm-mm.
What about in the front of your legs?
Maybe in my knees.
In your knees? Okay. I want you to scoot down like 2 inches. Perfect, that's good. Alright, so you're gonna feel, we're gonna do a little stretch first. Try to make you a little bit taller. Alright, so you're gonna feel your low back stretch out here. And you let me know if anything is uncomfortable. So, I'm going to put my hand on your back. Let me know. You're going to feel like a light stretch here.
Yep.
Yeah, but it shouldn't be uncomfortable.
No.
Okay.
Kind of looks good.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to go to the right. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So what's your check off over today?
Non-parental medication.
Okay. Sounds exciting.
Oh, not really.
Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good deal. Alright. Gonna bring you back to normal. Good deal. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna recheck here. Still even. Go ahead and try to raise that right leg up as high as you can. Drop it. Do the left one. Drop it. Feel a little bit easier?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Alright. Now you're gonna feel a massage type thing here. Ticklish?
A little bit.
What about up in here?
That's perfect.
Okay. This is probably where you need it most anyways.
Yeah.
All that tension. Yeah, right in the trap area where you said you were kind
Mm-hmm. I need that machine.
of. Good Christmas gift to ask for. Because the more relaxed you are, the better everything goes. So. Good. All right, you can scoot up where your face is a little more comfortable. There you go. All right. And actually, you can put your hands right there. There you go. All right, raise this up as high as you can. Drop it. Try this one. Drop it. Okay. So now you're gonna feel your hips pop up here, okay?
Uh-oh.
Like that. and then it's gonna drop like that, okay? So we're gonna start on the right side here. You might feel some pops, you might not. You okay? Okay, now here's your tailbone. Okay, here's your left one. Good. Okay, these next three might be a little tender. Might be. So we're going to do L5, L4, and L3, okay? Good. Doing okay? Alright, now lay on your right side. You're going to bend your top leg like this. Perfect. And then I'm just going to bring this up a little bit. Now I want you to hug yourself. And then I want you to kind of bring this shoulder out. Perfect, just like that. I'm going to scoot you a little bit this way. It's going to feel like you're going to fall, but you're not. Alright, so you're going to feel it right in this area, okay? Alright, so give me a big deep breath. Blow all the way out. And just kind of let it relax.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. Alright, lay on your other side. Didn't hurt though, did it?
No, it felt good.
Yeah. Alright, same thing, bend your top leg. Let that sit right there. Perfect. Now I'm going to scoot you this way. There you go. Alright, give me a big deep breath. All the way out. There you go. Alright, lay on your stomach. How you doing so far?
Feels good.
Good. Alright, try to raise this up high as you can. Drop it. Do this one. Drop it. Good. Alright. Now, we're going to work our way up here, okay? Probably going to feel some pops. There you go. Okay, give me a big deep breath. All the way out. Good. Okay, so just let this bend. Good. You okay? Good. Alright, lay on your back for me. Okay. So you've never had your neck adjusted, right?
I popped it.
Yeah? Self-adjuster, huh? So I'm just going to feel right now. Okay. We're going to work right in there. You okay?
Oh, that felt good.
Good. Good deal. Awesome. Alright, now we're going to work on your ankles. Are these comfortable shoes?
Very.
They look like it. Okay, so you're going to feel kind of right in this area. Good. Good.
That was the best one.
Yep. Yes,
I
ma'am.
felt that
Alright,
one.
let me help you sit up here. There you go. Swing that way for me. Yeah, that was a good one. That's from you standing on your feet all day. Have you done you ever doing clinicals yet?
Not yet, no.
Okay. It's coming though. Look left for me. Look right. Look straight. Alright, so you're gonna feel me kind of do this machine on you. Go left. Go right. Look straight. Okay, bend back. Alright, look left. Look right. Look straight. Does that feel smooth?
Mm-hmm.
Smoother. And you're left-handed, right?
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna do your shoulders now. So let this bend, let it drop, and then you're gonna let it sit in my hand right here. Just kinda let it relax. There you go. Okay, same thing, let it sit, let it bend, let it relax. There you go. Okay. I can tell that's not your dominant hand. Good deal. You're not too jacked up actually. So there you go. That's all of it.
I felt good.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Didn't hurt though, did it?
Mm-mm.
Awesome. So yeah, you might be a little sore. Drink your water, do your ice, all that good stuff. Keep moving, which I know you will because you're in school and you're a nurse. So, cool. Well, thanks for letting us video you.
Of course, thank you.
So if you need a good chiropractor, we'd love to help you. You can call us at 731-736-4200 or Facebook or on our website at chiroplusjackson.com.